Data is crucial to business and economies. Digital Realty's Data Economy Report 2018 puts numbers on this. We looked at the value of the data is bringing to companies and economies, and probably more importantly, the potential value that's being left on the table. Data adds more than 1.7 trillion to the world's 7th richest economy. The G7's data would represent the world's 10th largest economy, ahead of Canada, South Korea, and Russia. For example, more than 4% of all jobs in the US and over 5% of national output comes from the contribution that data makes to the economy. It's the same story here in Europe. With the UK, for example, data contributes 73 billion annually, but with a further 52 billion of value left on the table. That's a lot of revenue and profits being left on the table, and a very good reason for business leaders to take data seriously. Data is certainly a priority for the financial sector. That is why most of the successful firms in that sector take data so seriously. Financial services companies were famously early adopters of technology to accelerate their business, from the rise of quants to low latency trading. Their success has been huge, transforming the industry, multiplying revenues, and creating entire new business models. However, there's still more than business can do. Despite outpacing the rest of Europe in size and growth, the UK's financial service industry is no better at creating value from its data than Germany, leaving 43% of potential value of its data untapped. That's £8 billion each year that could be added to the industry. Our research shows that financial service companies see the main obstacles to extracting value as aging IT systems, security concerns, and a shortage of IT skills. Specifically here in the UK, the approach of Brexit is heightening these worries as it becomes harder to attract people with the needed skills to the UK. More generally, the skill shortage is particularly acute because of the many new skills which are now needed barely existed a generation ago. AI is no longer about professors in universities. It's becoming mainstream for businesses to need their own AI expertise, and that can be hard to source in the labor market. People know what's needed, but it still can be a challenge to deliver it. Our recent research with IDG showed that although financial services are often regarded as having the best technology footprints, many feel underwhelmed by their own current IT capabilities. Startups, on the other hand, are regarded with envy as having less legacy and more scope for innovation. The people we spoke to see major technology-enabled opportunities, from artificial intelligence to blockchain and big data. But that also means that the cost of IT failure will grow, increasing the needs to have a strong business continuity and disaster recovery arrangement. Risks to the financial sector certainly exist. Some of those risks are the traditional data ones: security, reliability, and trust. Using data in ways that don't endanger your license to operate is an increasingly common concern in many sectors. There's also a business challenge alongside this technical one. AI, big data analytics, and open banking, among other things, are creating major opportunities. Agile new banks are outpacing long-established giants, and single service providers are adding value for both consumer and business customers, where no opportunity was previously apparent. The demands for our data center services are certainly evolving, and the data center industry needs to keep developing to provide our customers with the reliable, secure infrastructure that they need to realize their ambitions. That includes investing in making possible the architecture that businesses need, providing even more highly connected sites and services, such as our connected campus, and enabling vendor-neutral cloud service provision. We firmly believe in providing our clients with the infrastructure which lets them pick the services that works best for them. Think of it like us being the neutral platform rather than locking clients into a walled garden of select service providers. That includes investing in making possible the architectures that businesses need, providing even more highly connected sites and services, such as our connected campus, and enabling vendor-neutral cloud service provision. We firmly believe in giving our clients the infrastructure which lets them pick the services that work best for them.